Ako po si Jerome, operator po ng DTF printer dito sa Shared Planet Divisoria. As of November 23, ginamit ito ng 6 days na may total meters na 184. Ito po ang printer head. Ang huling palit po ng colored ay noong May at yung white naman po ay noong July. Wiper at coupling na may 80% good condition. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper at capping after head. Ito po ang nozzle check. Oo naman po. Ink system, tama lang ang level. Waste tank, nakaka-dispose lang. Ito po ang ADR at wala po kaming ground wire. Ito po yung stocks ko ng CMYK. DTF powder, white ink, Inus ink, DTF film, production log, checklist. Ang nagamit ko sa consumables ay isang yellow, dalawang white ink, tatlong DTF powder, tatlong DTF film, at dalawang cleaning solution. Yun lang po, thank you.